Hello, my creative friends. Welcome back to our cozy craft corner. Today we are diving into something truly special: a homemade Christmas tree made with jute rope. Once again, it's a natural, eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and full of mindful creativity. So grab your jute rope, a few old cardboards, some glue, and sprinkle of imagination, because we are about to turn simple materials into a magical Christmas tree decoration that warm your home and your heart. You can also make Christmas tree, birthday cap, easily craft on it like jute craft. So before we are start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more beautiful and calming craft ideas like this. Let's begin with what you need: a piece of thick cardboard for an old box, for the tree base, natural jute rope or twine, scissor glue gun, and few sticks of for the frame. Some decorative places like pine cones, tiny bells, paper stars, or beads. And if you are little sparkle, keep a touch of glitter ready too. And once again, I'm stated you can also use kids' birthday cap for Christmas tree. Now clear your table, light a candle, maybe play some soft Christmas tune, and let's enjoy the mindful crafting time together. Fine cut your cardboard into a cone shape. You can roll it gently and secure it with glue or tape. This will become the base of your jute Christmas tree. If you have a recycled bottles, you can even wrap the cone around it for extra stability. Now take your jute rope and start wrapping it from the bottom to the top, slowly, layer by layer. Apply glue as you go, making sure it's tight but even. This is the most relaxing part. You can feel that rough texture of jute, smell the nature fiber, and just let your mind unwind. It's not just a craft, it's a from mindful relaxation. Once your jute cone is ready, let's bring it to life with details. Use small pieces of rope to make spiral shapes, stick them like ornaments across the tree. You can also glue on pine cones, tiny bells, or red beads for festive touch. You can also use spray or colors as per your desire. You can give a touch for traditional red and white, or maybe you can like. Don't worry about it perfect imperfection and beauty and charm to your handmade work. Each piece tell a story of love, patience, and imagination. Now let's crown our little tree. You can create a small jewel star by twisting and gluing rope into star shape, or cut a star out cardboard and wrap it with jute for rustic finishing. Attach it to the top of your tree using glue or maybe tape. For extra glue, wrap a teeny fairy lights around the tree. When you switch it on, wow, it's light up beautiful, spreading their warm golden Christmas feeling through your room. Now your hand, handmade jute Christmas tree is ready to shine. Place it on your table near your window or cozy corner shelf. You can even make different sizes: a small one for your desk, medium for the living room, and large for the main decoration area. We hope you like the video. If you like, so please share the video with your friends and family, and also visit the channel for more updated crafting ideas. Thanks for your lovely support. Thanks for watching video till the end. God bless you all. Happy holiday, happy Christmas ahead. Keep watching, keep supporting. Love you all. Take care.